Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your TCL TabMax 10. So in order to do this, we'll need to download the RAR app, which we've shown how to do this in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's two pictures which we're gonna pack into our archive. So select them each, click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change archiving options. You can change a name, set a password, change different extension for this file, change any of these options. There'll be more options in advanced and options itself setting. In a comment, you can leave any comment about or description about your archive, and when everything is ready, click on OK button. And right here we've just created camera.rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.